Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to video. Today I'm going to walk you through how to link Zerodha with TradingView, or at least how to get the closest thing to it. So here's the thing, you cannot directly connect Zerodha as a broker on TradingView just yet. If you go to the trading panel on TradingView, you'll see a list of brokers you can connect to, but Zerodha isn't one of them right now. So there's no direct integration for now. But don't worry, you're not completely out of options. Zerodha has rolled out a neat feature called Trade from Charts, and it actually uses TradingView charts directly inside Zerodha. That means you can still get the TradingView experience and place trades from the chart. Here's how to make sure you're using it. Log into your Zerodha Kite account, click on your profile name in the top right corner, go to Profile. Under the Settings section, look for Charts. Select TradingView as your preferred chart type. Once that's set, you'll notice the buy and sell buttons right on the chart. The buy button shows you the top ask price. The sell button shows the top bid price. This gives you real-time pricing right there on the screen. No need to dig through the market's depths separately. When you're ready to trade, it's super simple. Just click buy or sell and the order window will pop up. From there, you can go ahead and place your trade directly from the charts. And that's it. You're now using TradingView charts to trade with Zerodha, even if it's not a direct connection through TradingView itself. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time.